Hey, good morning. This is Charles from 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. We're at 3015 North Sutherland Avenue. So some things to note about this one as far as the exterior. We're location-wise, we're on Sutherland, which is a little bit of a busy street, and we're close here on 30th Street, which is also a little bit of a busy street. We're not the corner lot. We're next to looks like an old gas station and some other retail stuff, and then a couple of vacant lots on this side. Fall Creek is literally right there, and right on the other side is where so much of the higher end properties are. There's a lot of stuff going on this side of Fall Creek, however, which is why we're taking a look at this one. I think it's probably a bargain, especially if you take a look at the inside. And what we could get from an ROI perspective. Definitely is a buy and hold. There's not a whole lot of work that needs to be done to get you to a good passive revenue. So take a look inside, run the numbers, and let us know what you think. Thanks.